There's a really easy way for you to synchronize audio files in Premiere Pro. And if you've got those audio files attached to video, then it syncs up the video with it as well. So here I've got 3 camera shots from 3 different angles that were shot at the same time. I'm going to move these onto different tracks so that they don't overlap into each other. So whenever you want to sync clips like this, you're going to select both of them, right click on it, and then scroll down to the Synchronize button here. And then you're going to click audio. Track channel mixdown should be just fine for what you're shooting for, and then hit OK. But there's one important thing that you need to notice when it does that. So first, I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. It is perfectly synced up. You can look at all of the peaks in the audio files, and they are perfectly lined up, so it works just fine. But something you may not have noticed is that whenever I synced them, camera 1 got pulled forward to camera 2. So there was a misconception with the Synchronize button before in earlier versions of Premiere, where the first one you selected was going to be the one that the other clips would move back to and sync up with, but that's not true. What actually happens is whatever clip is the furthest in front, the other clips are going to follow suit and move forward with it. So just to show you that, I'm going to highlight camera 1 first just to disprove that myth, then camera 2, then camera 3. I'm going to right click on it and scroll down to Synchronize just like we just did. Audio, track channel mixdown, hit OK. And it is going to pull right up to where camera 3 was at the start. But again, you're going to take a look at this and notice all of these files are perfectly synced up together based on the peaks in the audio file. So if this brought value to you and your project, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more Premiere tips.